Hello all, in this video we are going to make 24 colors by using 3 primary colors. Mixing 2 primary colors, red and yellow, gives you a secondary color, orange. Mixing 2 primary colors, in this case blue and yellow, gives you a secondary color, green. Mixing 2 primary color, red and blue, it gives you purple. Mixing white with a small amount of red gives you a tertiary color, pink. Mixing white with a small amount of orange color gives you peach pink shade. Mixing white with yellow color gives you pastel yellow. Mixing white and green gives you a vibrant light shade of green. Mixing white and blue gives you sky blue. White and small amount of black gives you a grey color. Sky blue and pink gives you a beautiful color, lavender. Mixing white and grey gives you a light shade of grey. Yellow and green gives you a color, apple green. Yellow color with the black gives you olive. Mixing white with pink color gives you light pink color. Mixing red and purple makes a crimson color. Mixing red with green gives brown color. Mixing white with brown gives you a lighter shade of brown. Mixing yellow and orange makes a bright warm color, amber. Yellow and pink makes a delicate pinkish shade of orange color. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, share and like, comment.